My name is Ishara and I'm studying Bachelor of Cybersecurity. I was qualified for this scholarship based on my academic performance, and it was automatically applied to my tuition fee for each semester. My top favorite things about studying at ECU are the practical and hands-on learning and the supportive lectures. And my course isn't just theory. We get to work with real-world tools, techniques and scenarios, and the lecturers are really approachable and willing to help each and any time. That combination makes us grow technically, professionally and personally as well. The campus is really beautiful. When I got my breaks, I used to walk around the lake area. What I love most about living in the Perth is the calm and the peaceful it is. In my free time, I love going to beaches. There's so many beautiful beaches here, and I love visiting Cavation Wild Park. There's so many kangaroos over there. We can feed them, and that was a cool experience that we can get in Perth. I like the public transport as well. It's really easy and reliable and safe for an international student as well. My biggest advice is to make the most and every decision, every opportunity. Don't be shy, don't be afraid to ask any question, because ECU has the biggest supportive environment from lectures to student services. Get involved in the campus life, whether through clubs, events, or becoming student ambassador like I do. That was the greatest way that you can connect with others and build friendships. A lot of international students might not know about the scholarships that ECU has. So I encourage them to do a bit research, because ECU website has all the information about scholarships, whether opening date and the end date as well. To international students who are looking to study at ECU, go for it.